Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are installing these clip-ins that you see me wearing here by Irresistible Me. Irresistible Me is a company that offers human hair. They have clip-ins, invisible clip-ins, tape-ins, human hair wigs, ponytails, and other volumizing products. These clip-ins blended so seamlessly with my hair, and I love the ease of putting them in and how they transform my look. This company was such a pleasure to work with. One of my favorite things about the company is the packaging. The packaging is very sturdy and sleek. It is recyclable, and it also offers a 100% color match guarantee. This color match guarantee is because there's a sample of hair that comes in the bottom portion where you can test it against your hair and you can exchange or return the hair risk-free. Now, this is what the extensions look like. This is like a light yaki texture, and as you can see, it blended so well with my hair. This company, you guys, gives you so much hair. And to get started, this is my braid down pattern that I did. I am not the best braider, so please forgive me. I left some hair out in the perimeter, and we are starting off the back by applying a 3-clip. And I like doing these braids because it was easier to clip the clip-ins into the braids. I've done it to where I didn't do braids and I just clipped it in, and this was a lot easier. This is where the hair comes. It comes down to right below my hip. I am 5'3" for reference, and I'm applying 2 3-clips. You do get 2 sets of 3 clips with this pack of extensions. I only used 1 pack, but you guys, they give you so much hair. All you need is 1 pack, and I would recommend, you don't have to braid your hair down, but they give you so much hair that if you don't braid your hair down, you probably won't even use the whole pack. You'll probably end up using just half of the pack. And also, you guys see, I'm just tugging on it to show you how sturdy it is, and it is not coming out. As I'm applying each row or each clip, I am going in with my flat iron just to smooth it down. This is the most impressive thing to me. Do you guys see? This is a 4-clip, and it has so much hair on it. I believe the tracks are double wefted, so that means this one piece probably has about 6 tracks on it. And I've done clip-in reviews before. This is the most hair that I have received, so I was very grateful. Look how full it already looks, and I have only used half of the extensions that they have sent me. Now, like I said, I'm flat ironing each piece, and I am trying to install the clip-ins kind of close together. Now I'm moving into the 2-clip. They gave me 5 sets of 2 clips, and I'm going to start installing those in the front on the side. I'm putting them at a diagonal so that they can fall towards my face, and so that you cannot see the clip-ins when I wear my hair down. I did leave my hair out around the perimeter and in the middle to also camouflage the clip-ins as well. So I did 2 sets of 2 clips on each side, and then I'm going to put a 1-clip track right there. And this is just going to make it so that when I comb my leave out over it, it's going to blend very seamless, and it's going to be very little of my hair left out. Look how good this already blends in. My hair already blends in with the clip-ins, and I just repeated the same thing on both sides. Now, I did wear these clip-ins for a week, and the way I styled them, I did not experience any damage and very low tension on my hair. So you guys see how much space I have. I'm going to put that 1 clip right there like I did on the other side. And then I'm going to apply one more 2-clip right there just to seal up that gap between my leave out and the 4-clip that I installed. And this is all of the hair that they gave me. You see my install looks very seamless. Most of my hair is covered up besides the leave out. It's very smooth looking. It's not really bulky at all. The lumps that are in there, I am gonna fix that. And look how full that looks. That is a lot of hair. That's where it came down to me. Do not mind the ends. I did wear, this is the second time that I wore this hair, so the ends were kind of choppy because I did cut the ends the first time. And with clip-ins, if you cut them, you have to put them exactly back in the same order, or the ends will kind of look like that. So this time I did cut the ends again, but I tried not to cut them so much because I want to get as most wears out of this as I possibly can. And look at the blend. This is without me even applying any product or even trying to blend it. It already looks well blended. So to blend in my leave out, I am just going to flat iron it. I'm going to flat iron it separately and flat iron it on top of the hair. And I forgot to mention, I did dye this hair. On the website it said number 2 chocolate brown, but it was very light for me, so I did go in with some box dye and dye it. And if I can remember the name of the box dye, I will link it down below. It took me about 3 boxes to dye all of the hair that came with this. And you guys see, I did remove one of the one clips from the other side because I have less hair on this side and it was kind of pulling at my hair. So I did remove that one clip and then rearrange the clip-ins just a little bit so that it would be more comfortable and less lumpy on that side for me. And now all I'm doing is just brushing out the hair. Like I said, this hair blends so good. If I would have cut some layers into this, it would have just looked so bomb. But I didn't cut the layers because, like I said, I want to prolong my use of these clip-ins, and I just didn't want to cut the hair up too much. And I'm also not that good at cutting layers, so I didn't want to mess up the style. Now I'm going in with my wax stick. This wax stick is by Kiss Colors, and I am just applying this to my leave out so that it can blend even more with this. And I'm going in with my hot comb to just flatten down the top of my hair and the clip-ins because I have braids underneath. So I'm just smoothing it in, combing it through. This is going to lay down my foundation even flatter, eliminate any lumps that I might be experiencing with my braids. And to secure my braids, I think I forgot to say this as well, I just use bobby pins. And I kept this style in for the whole week. I didn't have any problems with my braids slipping or anything. If you're not good at braids, you can do the same braid down method that I did, but just do flat twist. And I'm going through the back as well just to make sure that there's no lumps and to also keep my hair in place. Now to sleep in this style, all I did was tie it down with a silk scarf around the front across my leave out and secure the back loosely with a scrunchie. I am cleaning up the ends because I did cut this hair before, so I just wanted to make sure that this time it was all the same length and none of the ends were looking scraggly. Now I'm taking a bristle brush and I'm blending it even more. Look at that blend, you guys. You cannot even see where my hair starts and the extensions, and that is how you know you are working with quality hair. I would definitely purchase hair from this company again, not only because of the quality, but because of the value and quantity that you're getting with this as well. And I forgot to mention that these clip-ins did come with a dust bag as well as extra clips if any of the clips come loose. Now to style this, I did opt to wear it behind my hair since I did not cut any layers, and I like to wear my sideburns out. I am applying my Chi Natural Hold Hairspray just to make sure that my leave out stays intact and doesn't move. Here is the final product. You cannot tell me this is not my hair or a sew-in. Let me know how I did. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried clip-ins? If you have, I definitely encourage you to try this company if clip-ins or human hair is something that you enjoy wearing, because I promise you will not be disappointed. Let me know your thoughts and let me know what videos you want to see from me next. I love you guys so much and thank you for tuning in.